How to reset PIN in Messenger. First things first, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Once you're in the app, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 little lines stacked on top of each other, kind of like a hamburger. Tap on those lines to open the menu. In the menu that just opened, you'll see a gear icon, which is usually associated with settings. It's probably near the top right corner. Tap on the gear icon. Now, you're in the settings menu. Scroll down until you see an option called privacy and safety. It might be a little down the list, but keep scrolling until you find it. Tap on it. Under privacy and safety, you'll see several options. Look for one that says end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap on it. Once you're in the encrypted chat settings, find an option called message storage. Tap on it. In the message storage settings, you'll see an option for reset PIN. This is what we're looking for. Tap on reset PIN to proceed. Now, the app will ask you to create a new PIN. Think of a secure number that you can remember easily. Enter this number when prompted. And that's it. You've successfully reset your PIN. Now your chats are even more secure. That's all for today. You've now mastered resetting your PIN in Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.